All right, thanks for rejoining me here for part 2 of this 924 square foot floating cabin video walkthrough tour. We're still right back here where we left off. That brake snuck up on me there, but this is the transom where basically you can hook an outboard motor. You've got the steering, shift and throttle cables in your steering cable, and then this is about a 6-gallon, 3 to 6 gallon portable fuel tank, and then that's a battery tray where again you can mount an outboard motor here and use this as a mobile houseboat, or if you want to relocate this, if you don't like where it is currently, want to go to another marina, you know, you can put an outboard motor in there and just power this on to your mooring wherever you like. We're here on the rear porch, and then there's 2 more speakers back here, 2 floodlights and a porch light back here on this rear deck. Kind of got some vinyl railing, and then that's your exterior heat pump. That's a Lux Air, your exterior HVAC heating and cooling for this vessel. Again, it's 2.5 to 3 ton unit. And a small little swim platform here as well, and we've got a swim boarding ladder just underneath that rub rail there. That's swim boarding ladder. You fold that out, climb on and off the back. So again, there's kind of a lot to go through on this one. We're going to have the full list of features and specifications again at the website www.yournewboat.com. We're going to refer to this as the 924 square feet floating cabin for sale here on Norris Lake, and that includes this 18 by 64 foot dock. Now you'll see we've got a small little tank up overhead, some plumbing right here. I'm going to step over on this boat. Again, the boat right here is not included. Of course, we can always find you a runabout if you need one. So this little storage shelf was built for the water system. That's basically a lake water pump. It's going through a filter, and then you've got a UV light for your water treatment. That's all done right here, and then your satellite, your tracking satellite dish. Let me step back over to the houseboat. Right overhead there, that is a King Dome tracking satellite dish. You see that little dome right there, and then that's your VHF antenna that we showed you earlier, kind of in that bar area. So again, 10 by 26 foot boat lift or boat slip with a front mount premier docks boat lift, 18 by 64 foot dock, 35 feet of that dock. Of course, 26 of that 35 is your covered slip, but you've got a nice small little patio portion that's also covered where you've got a ceiling fan overhead. A lot of the other things underneath this cover are personal items and are excluded from the sale of this one. So I've tried to just highlight the things that were included. That's going to start to wrap things up for us here today. Again, it's the 924 square feet floating cabin for sale, and that's just talking about the interior square feet. That takes into consideration that little loft area where you got the 2 queen beds up there in the loft. Front porch and side dock. This is going to make somebody a real nice package here on Norris Lake. Fairly turnkey setup. It is, if you keep it right here where it currently is, you are going to be hooked to shore power, and again, you got your own water maker system on this one. Contact us with any questions. Again, this is the 924 square feet floating cabin for sale here on the beautiful freshwaters of Norris Lake, Tennessee. You're just 1 row removed from the main channel here at a popular marina here on the kind of northeastern side of Norris Lake. And again, I thank you very much for joining us. That will do things for us here today. Visit the website with any questions. You can reach us by phone, by text, or by email. We do not monitor the YouTube comment page, so if you do have questions, make sure you click over to the website, yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button. That's going to show you all of our inventory and order price. You'll just have to scroll down a little ways until you see this one. You'll see the price right there. Again, reach us by phone, by text, by email. If you ever call me on the phone, get my voicemail, want to return phone call, just leave me a detailed message. Let me know what listing you're looking at, what questions you have. I'm often without cell phone reception. As soon as I get back in range, I'll return your call. The yournewboat.com logo is popping up in the top right hand corner of your screen. That is to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is where you'll be notified of any new listings as they come available in our area. And I thank you again for joining us.